Okay, even more. We can add even more. When you buy them, expensive, you don't need to add a lot, okay? But here we are from the garden. So we're gonna use this color to dye the rice too, to make a blue sticky rice. Yeah. I wanna separate some for your rice and some for the tea. Sorry, it might be hot. Okay. Put more flour. I want to make it very deep blue because we mix the rice, it turns very dark.
We use
The lamp can you stop? Wait. Okay, ready? How can you be sure I'm not gonna make a mess? I'm clumsy.
It's half the fun.
It's very blue. As you know things, you know more than them. See it off.
Right.
You drink gin and tonic when you squeeze the lime, you drop the whole piece in.
Yeah.
She know what to do. She be my presenter. You guys look. Swing. You see what happened? No way. No way. Everybody like yay. Now you guys try one each. See what you think. Try it.
Beautiful.
Try. One way.